Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the GreenAddress wallet. In this GreenAddress wallet review, I'll share my usage experience and delve into its key features. GreenAddress is a Bitcoin-only wallet renowned for its robust security, privacy focus, and advanced feature set. It's designed for crypto enthusiasts who prioritize the safety of their funds above all else. The wallet offers both mobile and desktop applications that synchronize seamlessly, providing a versatile solution for Bitcoin users seeking a secure and adaptable wallet. One of GreenAddress's standout features is its multi-signature security. Employing a 2 of 2 or 2 of 3 multi-signature setup, it requires multiple keys to authorize any transaction. This significantly mitigates the risk of unauthorized access and spending. During my use, this multi-signature approach provided a reassuring layer of protection, especially when dealing with substantial Bitcoin transactions. Furthermore, GreenAddress supports time-locked transactions and two-factor authentication, 2FA, adding extra layers of security to safeguard your Bitcoin holdings. Privacy is another area where GreenAddress excels. The wallet empowers you to manage your private keys directly, giving you complete control over your Bitcoin without relying on a third party. In my experience, the user interface, while geared towards users with some Bitcoin knowledge, was clear and intuitive. It offers features like transaction batching, watch-only mode, and hardware wallet integration, making it a powerful tool for privacy-conscious users. One feature I particularly appreciate is the deterministic wallet setup. This allows you to generate a new address for every transaction, enhancing your privacy without any compromise. This makes GreenAddress a compelling option for users who value anonymity. Additionally, the wallet supports SegWit, resulting in lower transaction fees and faster confirmation times, a considerable advantage in today's Bitcoin ecosystem. While GreenAddress doesn't support other cryptocurrencies, it excels in its specialization, providing a highly secure Bitcoin-only wallet. It might not be the most beginner-friendly option, but for serious Bitcoin users who require advanced features and robust security, GreenAddress is definitely worth considering. It's a fantastic choice for those who prioritize security and privacy in their Bitcoin transactions. For more information and to download the wallet, check out the links in the description below.